Looking for a roof rack kit that combines strength, reliability, and versatility? Rhino-Rack DK kits are designed to fit all 2,500 roof rack systems, giving you a solid foundation to carry everything from lumber to kayaks. With 4 durable pads and clamps included, these kits secure your gear safely while keeping your vehicle's roof protected. What sets the Rhino-Rack DK kits apart is their build quality. The vehicle-grade santoprene pads offer exceptional durability and cushioning, while the black metal clamps resist corrosion, standing up to harsh weather and rugged use. This means you get a kit that lasts, no matter how often you hit the road or the trail. Beyond the basics, Rhino-Rack offers a wide range of accessories compatible with their Vortex bars. Whether you need bike racks, kayak carriers, awnings, ladder holders, or cargo boxes, there's an option to customize your setup exactly how you want it. This flexibility makes the DK kit a smart investment for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or needs reliable hauling for work. One satisfied user shared how the DK kit fit perfectly on their 2014 Ram Laramie 3500, making it easy to haul kayaks, canoes, and even 16 to 20-foot lumber with a topper Rhino-Rack. While they noted the pads are a bit tall, the secure fit and durability made it worth it for their contracting and camping needs. This kind of real-world feedback highlights how Rhino-Rack supports both professional and recreational lifestyles. If you're ready to upgrade your roof rack system with a kit built tough and backed by a brand that knows adventure, Rhino-Rack's DK kits are worth a look. They deliver what you get: reliable pads and clamps designed to hold your gear safely and make space for your next journey. Try it when you're ready to take your hauling and outdoor gear to the next level.